Mitochondria, the source of cellular metabolic energy, decrease with age, significantly impacting our health and longevity. Reduced coenzyme Q10 is a key component that activates mitochondria by transporting electrons. Coenzyme Q10 is a lipid-soluble component that dissolves in oils but not in water, making it difficult to absorb through the intestines. Conventional coenzyme Q10 supplements haven't adequately solved this absorption issue, resulting in minimal absorption into the body despite consumption. Even when ingesting lipid-soluble components dissolved in oils via soft capsules, they cannot be absorbed unless emulsified by bile acids and broken down by pancreatic juices. As a result, the absorption rate is only about 10% to 20%. This is a mechanism to suppress excessive absorption of lipids and maintain our health. To address this, the next-generation highly absorbable reduced coenzyme Q10, ShiroQ, was developed specifically to absorb the desired lipid-soluble components. Through a proprietary micellization technology that facilitates emulsification and digestive breakdown, the absorption rate is more than 3 times that of conventional products. ShiroQ's innovative absorption mechanism efficiently and firmly supports your health. Enhance your quality of life and maintain healthy longevity with the innovative, highly absorbable ShiroQ.